What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the final part of the ultimate setup revamp. My hair's crazy. It is what it is. Just got home from a long day at work. But I'm not going to be doing too much talking in this video. I'm going to just get it done. You guys can see the final product. Let me know what you think. So sit back, relax, let me work my magic, and cue the intro.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Concludes the ultimate setup revamp. It took a while. I had to put it on hold because once I got the actual setup complete, I had to put that project on hold, and I started rebuilding this beast behind me, which took about a week long because I didn't really have time for it. You guys will also see videos on that. So if you enjoyed the video, enjoyed the series, consider hitting that like button, that subscribe button, leave a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you guys might want to see. And other than that, I think that's all I have to say. I'll see you guys in the next video, or you guys will see me in the next video. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'm out.